Everyone, welcome to my channel Techie Technions. Today we are going to learn about the Docker CLI commands such as inspect, tag and remove. So first of all, open your command prompt. First of all, we will check what are the Docker images present in our system. Okay, so Docker images. So these are the images already present. Now what we are going to do is to first learn how to inspect an image. That means to gain information about an image. When you write this command, you will get everything related to that image. Okay, I will show, we will take the node image, Docker image, then the command we want, and then the image name. Okay, see. You can have a look. We are getting everything related to this image. Everything is present here. We can take another image also. Let's take Postgres now. Docker image inspect and Postgres. Okay. Again, we got everything related to this image. All the volumes, the image name, everything will be there. The image ID, everything will be present here. Okay, the second command is to remove an image. Okay, which image should I remove? Let's remove Java 7. Okay, so Docker image, then I want to remove it, so rn, and then the image name. So I want to remove Java 7, so I will tag it. Okay, untagged. Now image 7 is not here. Any normal image, like let us remove the node image. It shows as deleted. So we will check out the images. We can't see the node here. The third is the tag command. Like if I added a Postgres and I want to tag it again, or if I want a Java 7 again, so I will tag this image as 7 Docker. Instead of the latest, we will be getting the tag. So Docker image, then tag, name of the previous image and the new one. Okay. Now when we check it, so what you observe, this wasn't removed or changed. Another image was added and we are having the tag at 7 here. So this happens when we use the tag command. Whenever you will make the containers, there will be some images which won't be in use. Okay, so the command is Docker to remove all the unused images. It won't work. So to remove all the unused images, we use Docker prune command. Okay, so Docker image prune. You will get a warning first of all. Okay, this will remove all the dangling images. Okay, so let's check it. Right now we have all the images because none of the images were dangling. If there are such images present in the system, you will get some free space also here, and when you write this command, you will be able to see it. Okay, so thank you everyone.